Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra Flare, and this is one of the nicest design I have seen from SanDisk in a while. So I just thought of purchasing this on Amazon for about 500 rupees, the 32GB variant, and doing an unboxing of this. And also guys, we are going to test if the read speed is really 150 Mbps in our speed test. So please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video we are also going to do a speed test of this and test it whether it is worth buying this particular pen drive or just skipping it. So without a further ado, let's get started. So let us just go ahead and unbox the SanDisk Ultra Flare, and this is one of the cheapest pen drive which is available for 32GB variant. I purchased this on Amazon for 499 rupees, and it is very cheap guys. You all can get this, and specially recommended for those people who want to buy a cheaper pen drive and would recommend this. Also just follow us on social media at @CreativeSoft. We are present on all social media guys, and if you have any queries etc, you all can leave the comment and I'll be able to resolve it. And this comes with this kind of plastic, and this is not a cap guys, it's just an extension of it. And I would recommend just to check out this particular pen drive before buying the other options from like USB 2. So y'all can just skip all the USB 2 pen drives and y'all can just go for this because it is very cheap. The starting rate I feel under 500 rupees, one of the best pen drive, and it just feels as premium as the other counterparts from SanDisk. And the body is actually partially plastic and partially metallic, so it does not give that great vibe. Let me just connect this to my computer and do a speed test, and I'm using the MSI Prestige 14 for this. And after starting this the speed test, and if you are new to this channel guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So I've been using this particular pen drive for a while, like about 10 days, and I would say this is one of the best pen drives I have used. And also I've done other reviews of pen drive, like I've been using the Lux also, and within 10 days my first impressions are very good. The data transfer rate is quite great guys, if you are using this only with the normal USB-A connector. And you all can also opt for OTG connector which can be enabled, and you all can use that with your Thunderbolt connectors etc, and I'll be getting that into the next video. So please watch this particular video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting maybe just after this video is gone live. And as you can see over here, the read speed is around 33 Mbps and the write speed is maybe like 19.45, and it's not that great guys, especially if you are using with the type A connector. And also I'll explain you why I'm saying like this is one of the fastest pen drive which is available, because I compared this with my Lux pen drive, and I'll be posting the video soon after this is gone live. And as you can see guys, this is having a kind of a marginal, like acceptable for a USB 3 pen drive. Like the read speed is good, but the write speed isn't that awesome, I would say. So if you all are on a budget, I would recommend this. But if you all can also check the SanDisk Ultra Lux also, which I have done just like a couple of days back video, so you all can even check that out. And this is one of the most stylish looking pen drive. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive, and I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out awesome videos which we have it over here, and also the playlist. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.